Hello guys, so practice na yung kanta guys, Too Much Love Will Kill You by Jubit Baldivino. One, two, three, go. I'm just the pieces of the man I used to be. Too many better days are raining down on me. I'm far away from home, and I've been facing this alone for much too long. Oh, I feel like no one ever told the truth to me about growing up and what a struggle it will be. In my tangled state of mind, I've been looking back to find where I went wrong. Too much love will kill you if you can't make up your mind. Torn between the lover and the love you leave behind. You're headed for disaster, 'cause you never read the signs. Too much love will kill you every time. I'm just the pieces of the man I used to be, and it seems like there's no way out of this for me. I used to bring you sunshine. Now all I ever do is bring you down. How it would be if you were standing in my shoes. Can't you see that it's impossible to choose? No, there's no making sense of it. Every way I go, I'm bound to lose. Oh, yeah! Too much love will kill you, just as sure as none at all. It's drain the power that's in you, make you play and scream and crawl. In the pain will make you crazy. You're the victim of your crime. Too much love will kill you every time. Yeah, yeah, too much love will kill you. I'll make your life a lie. Yes, too much love will kill you, and you won't understand why. You give your life, you sell your soul, but it is come again. Too much love will kill you, and the end. And the ends. Ano muna guys.